And we have some breaking inputs coming in right now. Rahul Gandhi doubling down his attack on the centre. He has put out another post on X. Government tender written to fit a vendor. Prime Minister is silent, he says, on the struggle of students. Rahul Gandhi has also said Dharmendra Pradhan, the minister, still sits in office. Silence is complicity, not indifference, is what he has said. On the OSM Rao, Rahul Gandhi upping the ante against the centre. He's put out a long post on X that you can see on your screens right now. We have Kritika joining us on the phone line for more on this. Kritika, scathing attack there coming in from Rahul Gandhi towards the centre.
Well, of course, now in the latest revelation, the students are now questioning the quality of scans. What they are claiming is that certain answer scripts appear to have been scanned through mobile phones. And this is despite the heavy and the huge amount of contract that has been given to Coemt company to carry out proper scanning using duplex printer machines, duplex scanner and printer machines. Now, what Rahul Gandhi has added to this entire conversation is that is again his allegation of how Coemt, in order to favor the bidding process for Coemt, the rules were again and again revised. And he's stating that while the May tender required answer sheets to be scanned with automatic robotic scanners with preserved spines at a minimum of 300 DPI, the reissued August tender had quietly removed all of it, and scanners became a generic term. So this is the big claim that even Rahul Gandhi is now harping on after students are complaining of how they can see staplers and pens and keyboard cables alongside in the margins of their answer scripts, hinting towards the possibility of the use of a mobile phone scanner app to have scanned these answer scripts.
All right. Thank you very much, Kritika, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this.